They have no wine. And Jesus said to her, Woman, how does your concern affect me? My hour has not yet come. His mother said to the servers, Do whatever he tells you. Now there are 6 stone water jars there for Jewish ceremonial washings, each holding 20 to 30 gallons. Jesus told them, Fill the jars with water. So they filled them to the brim. Then he told them, Draw some out now and take it to the head waiter. So they took it. And when the head waiter tasted the water that had become wine, without knowing where it came from, although the servants who had drawn the water knew, the head waiter called the bridegroom and said to him, Everyone serves good wine first, and then when people have drunk freely, an inferior wine. But you have kept the good wine until now. Jesus did this as the beginning of his signs in Cana in Galilee, and so revealed his glory, and his disciples began to believe in him. Brothers and sisters, the gospel of the Lord. Please be seated for a while. Rosemary and Mark Anthony, my dear brothers and sisters in Christ, good afternoon. O may kulo. Kumusta ka mo? You know, it's good to be back in this beautiful parish. You know, na-assign ako din dito na May, Summer Apostolic. At ito, suga din ng mga oras na pupulores pa ako dito, nagsasabi. Yan na, nagbibisa na. At ito, ni Rosemary, na-assist pa rin ni Director Flores. Yan na, yung kasal. My dear brothers and sisters, you know, nasaan kayo ni Rosemary Gila. Ito is a youth leader in the parokya. And maupay lang ang anak na kasal yan. Bisan pa man ang mga panitabo. Still, di ako. And this is my first time na magkakasal ako in nakilala ko ba? Pero ikaw para dito, pinangyari dito namin. Yes, my dear brothers and sisters, Rosemary and Mark Anthony, a wedding is a time of joy and celebration. Palipahin mo ka mo. Are you happy? Nakikita ng iyong mga smile. Yung pahilong. Sana po. You know, both of you, kinanhi, kaalala at tuwangan ng Diyos, isip magkaiba ang individual. Tika kayo magkaiba ang pamilya. And gamay magkaiba naman ng mga experience na kinabuhi. Thus far, you have sought to develop your lives as individuals, faithful to God's commandments, seeking out His will for you. Nananalig ka mo maging tangkod ang tawag ng Diyos ilahanduya na maging sumunod ng Diyos. Usa ini nga bukasyon. Ang pag-asawahan sa bukasyon sa pagkawag. That's why it's very demanding. Ang pagkawag, di lang po niya kung sa pagkawag, that's why it's very demanding. Di rin ka mamay, di rin masayo. Yan lang. Rosemary and Mark Anthony, nangingiyan ka mo na usahon ang iyong kinabuhi. Insugad na rin kamugaluha ang mga mapadis in magiging usan. Ani usog nga pagkasaranta, your closeness to each other, ginbindisyonan ng amo at darang iyo hinilata. You have grown in your knowledge of one another, nagkakirilalay kami. Your love for each other has matured. Waray mo na. Pinaagi ibig pangkalori nila, kaya yung experience nila yung sinipang panagkuya. At yung panag-ipon. Yan ang karoon yung marawat ang sakramento para mas may kahulugan at niyo kami niyo. Nag-interview nga itong kakaslo na sa ito para mag-bless ito ang panagkupo. Dahil ang grasya. Ngayon, iba, kayo gusto mong magmakasal, kay diri ako malaking karawat ng lawas ni Kristo. My dear brothers and sisters, we have come here to witness the binding of love between Rosemary and Mark Anthony. Yan na, Rosemary and Mark Anthony, masakot na kamuhin pag-iusa, na labing kabataan, na labing kaseryoso. Very sacred and very serious thing kapag iusa. Parang ini, why? Kaya yung tuko rin ang Diyos mismo. Na seryoso rin ang utang because it will bind you together in a relationship that is so close, in a relationship that is so intimate. Saglit na ka mo yan ang atubangan. To pronounce your mutual vows of lifelong love and fidelity, and take one another in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, all the days of your life. And dahil ko na ang Ebanghelyo na nabatian, nakita ko rin ang milagro na ginubuhat ni Jesus sa kasalagkana, inusa na maupay na tigaman ng presensya ng Ginoo o ni Kristo na nag-iyo pakusok kapag ito mga iyo kinabuhi. Dahil pangkete o reception ng kasal, dahil Ebanghelyo o ibasa, naubusan hiriknon ang kinasal. Kamo, nagkandang pa ng hiriknon, bayan mo maubusan niya. Naubusan ng hiriknon ang kinasal. Yan ano na labo? Kahuman mag-request ni Maria ang Jesus pagbuhat ng kabutangan para direct kaaralan ng kasal. Ginsugo ni Jesus ang mga servers, mga waiters na punpun ang punong kabato na dadyaw ng tubig. Ngandan kung iningat to ang agangir-aganon ang mga kamuning. To his great amazement, he noted that the best wine had been saved until last. Mga kabutuan ko sa inyong kadakong na makaharambog na adlaw para kay Rosemary and Mark Anthony. Ani ba na siring na ako ni ang pinakadades na tungkid habupos nira na kinabuhi. But I beg to disagree na inihapulo o inigalin tungod manggod kung tungod man ito siguro hamabaw na ito para because I believe you are entering into a partnership of love which is a marvelous journey with Christ. Kaya isipno sa kapaglalakaton hindi na tanan mo paglalakaton magpupay. Maapat kita yung magpupay, may daliwan diri magpupay. This is a journey. Baka ni balon. Dahil mga balon, dahil naman kalima. Dahil rocky road, dahil simintado naman. Yes, this may be the best year of your life because hindi nga tuwing inusakan ng Diyos. But dahil hindi yung kaminyo, hindi yung managpupod, dapat pa mga eksperyensya na makakasirin ka mo na makupay amin ang pinakamakupay na tukig o higayon para And paglalakad may mga pagsali. There are challenges. There are difficulties. There are problems. May mga pagsulay ng kakuringan ng aaginan. Sa ko pa kanina, this is a vocation, that's why this is very demanding. Kung ano man itong iyo masugatan, hindi nga iyo kami yun, take the risk, take the challenge. Nga natulang ko nga, naturalesa ng mga maagihan, hindi nga kakurikan ng malagpasan ng mga ayaw. Sering pa ito tulungan kung karuya di mo humiguma, dapat andang ka kasakitan. Ang tinuod na nahiguma, ang mga tao na andang masakitan. Because God entails pain, suffering. So ganda na itong mga buwas na Domingo, masa kung nakita nito, Ascension Sunday. Masa ka na Kristo at wala, ito ang pinalian na naman. Nga nagagabay ng mga semana Domingo at ilaw. Sabatihan na natin Ebanghelyo ng Jesus, ibaga na lang namigit na ako, na mabayan na iyan ako. Kaya mga tinunan na susuko at tatanis, nasasakitan nila, kaya tinuod na namin kong manilang ng Jesus. Sugat ikaw, ikamuros na rin ang Mark Anthony. Ito yung palagi kung maabot man na itong punto na itong kasakitan, kung baga naman ng problema, pero don't stop loving. Ayaw korpunda pag-ibig. You have to love. Say, when you start loving the Lord, you have to love until the end. Kung magtiga ka pag-ibuhan, you have to love until the end. Nakita ko ako nung katadya ng tubig, ang simbolo ang atong pagkakita, ang atong pagkatao. Di dahil pagtigaw na atong paglalagay doon, siguro kampante kita, siguro sigurado kita. We are full of the anticipation of success. Na malalampasan sa ini. Pero, hanapon na kita, hanapon paglalagay doon, we empty ourselves in those worldwide endeavors of life na tatawag ako. Salita, maabot ang punto kung di marirealisahan natin na waray na kita ikatahanan. And this point of realizing might come gradually or of a sudden, sooner rather than later. Kung sa hindi ka pagka-realisa na siriman sa Diyos na kasuratan, without Christ, we can do nothing. Kung di pinaan ng Kristo, kung waray ng Kristo, waray kita mahigit. Sabi, Rosemary and Mark Anthony, iniyo kami yun, una-una ang iyo permi, nagkaupo ni Kristo, iniyo iyo paglalagay. Be mindful always that Christ is with you, journeying with you. Sali ang mga balothan kinabuhi, ayaw pag-surrender. Ayaw pag-punta. Hasta ini ang katapusan. Hasta katalunan. Ang ang punto, di na natin paglalakad doon, ang kabuktuhan na maadamot kita ng Kristo. Habang pumapaani, we ask Him to fill us with love, His strength, His guidance. Magpatugtog kita kay Kristo. Ang pamahangin maunan maukyan ang iyang paghatag ng ilutarinon ang hindi mo niya ang Diyos. Then, dahil natin kawarayan, in our own emptiness, we are filled with a beautiful gift of love and love that comes us from the very source of life and love, ang Diyos. Rosemary, Mark Anthony, pipira ka minuto na lang, masakog na kamo in paglalakad ko. Kundi ini nga makaarap mo na kayon is not going to be your finance. Nor will this year, nor will this first year of marriage be your best. I wish for you, brother, a long life together. Ha? Kamo, Rosemary, and Mark Anthony, pag-uusapan na namin yan. Siring ng Diyos, siring ni Kristo, what God has joined together, let no man separate. Waray dapat makatagulaki ang kamatayan. Sabi, a life in which you come to know the meaning and power of love as Christ taught us. A self-emptying love. You have to empty yourself in order for others to live. Rosemary, you have to empty yourself in order for Mark Anthony to live. Mark Anthony, you have to empty yourself in order for Rosemary to live. And both of you have to empty yourselves in order for both of you to live with Christ. May you come to know through the struggles that comes with you, dying to yourself in order for others to live. You must die to yourself for the others to live. The better wine ang pinakamaupay na vino na amoy Kristo. Sa letra, may Christ be with you in all things, teaching you the power of love that shows itself in a generous measure of acceptance. Of what? In forgiveness, of pasaylo. Kumbaga, nagsasayo ka sa pag pinasaylo tayo. Di rin magpapalatay. Pagpasaylo, pag-ibig, pahuro-halo-halo, ang pasensya. In mutual respect, generosity, and selfish service with others, and be joyful in spirit. Rosemary and Mark Anthony, best wishes at iyo. Punta ang Diyos, dahil na'y makapabunga ang iyo kami yun. Siring pangatalo, humayo kayo at mapagkalaan. God bless you. Amen.
May I now ask you to answer truthfully the following questions. Rosemary, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Mark Anthony, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Rosemary, do you take Mark Anthony here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Mark Anthony, do you take Rosemary here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul. From this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, and for death, to us.
Rosemary, mahal, where you sleep, as a sign of your love and fidelity, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Amen.
Have, wear this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
There are times when I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. All those years I've longed to hold you in my arms. I've been dreaming of you every night. I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you will be mine. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need.
Three, two, one.
Just that we cannot end. Sure as time keeps going on and on, my love for you will be forevermore.
Yes, at kunin na ang kailangan kunin as we welcome our newlywed couple.
Let us prepare to jump and shout as we welcome our newlywed couple. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give our warmest welcome to
Mr. and Mrs. Mark Anthony and Rosemary Go!
Hey, hey,
Oh, John! Come on!
jump po tayo.
Hey! And John!
Hey,
Hey! 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 John! How about the groomsmen and bridesmaids? I need an energy coming from you. Yeah! Sayaw! Sayaw! Sige, iputan nyo!
ikot, ikot.
Jump! 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 Jump!
Hey, hey.
Once again, that was our newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Mark Anthony and Rosemary Go!
Thank you so much, our dear bridesmaids and groomsmen.
Grandma and Grandpa painted a picture of 65 years in one little house. More than a memory, more than saying I do. Kiss you good nights and I love yous. Me and you, baby, will walk in the footsteps and build our own family one day at a time. 10 little toes, a painted pink room. Our beautiful baby looks just like you, and we'll build this love from the ground up. Now till forever, it's all of me, all of you. Just take my hand, and I'll be the man your dad hoped that I'd be, and we'll build this love from the ground up, for worse or for better. And I will be all you need. Beside you I'll stand through the good and the bad. We'll give all that we have, and we'll build this love from the ground up. This life will go by in the blink of an eye, but I wouldn't wanna spend it without you by my side. The clouds are gonna roll, the earth's gonna shake, but I'll be a shelter through the wind and the rain, and we'll build this love from the ground up. Now till forever, it's all of me, all of you. Just take my hand, and I'll be the man your dad hoped that I'd be, and we'll build this love from the ground up, for worse or for better. And I will be all 65 years in this little house. I won't trade for nothing the life that we built. I'll kiss you goodnight and say I love you still, and we'll build this love from the ground up, for worse or for better. And I will be all you need. Beside you I'll stand through the good and the bad. We'll give all that we have, and we'll build this love from the ground up. From the ground I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I've stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, whom I listened to before. No, I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, you never let me down. You turn my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I've stayed right here with you through the years. Right here with you through the years.
Congratulations, best wishes. Kung baga may na kuan problema, adila kung baga message la. Adila kung baga may kuan sa may kuan si siring pa man ni it magsarangkay bisan ha kaubayan pati gihapon ha mga worst case ada gihapon. So best wishes nganin sana sunod liwat may na masunod na ganpay. Congrats and God bless sa iyo.
Istoryahan nila Rosemary, hantikadi kami tiya kasal kay last year pa ini niya plinano nga gusto niya magpakasal. But then, the time is perfect and the timing is perfect. Kay for now, I guess, katanan kita nakagather face to face and of course, with the presence of the people around. Message ko for Rosemary ngan kan makmak, siguro dire kami mapapausa na for whatever you've been through, you've done it and you surpassed it together. So anak ko nalabi na kaminsahe, like pati yung tanan nga naka-witness ang journey ni Rosemary nga ni Makmak, continue to do the things that you do and the things that you love together. Face each struggle together. Ngahin, and of course, ayaw ka makakalimot na habot ngahit pag-asawa, although maray pa ako asawa, I still believe that marriage is beautiful and it is a gift. Therefore, celebrate and journey with it. So, amo na to da mga salamat na ni presensya on behalf and mga entourage ni Rosemary and iya bridesmaids. Nagpapasalamat kami that we were able to witness this beautiful celebration of their love. Thank you and good evening.
Paunahan po tayo. Okay, dito po tayo sa center. Cellphone charger, sir, what's your name?
Manuel de la Plaza.
Manuel, kaano-ano mo ang newlywed couple?
Friend ni Rosemary.
Friend ni Rosemary. So again, congratulations. Anay. Sige, pag-ganyan ni partner. Okay. Anong imo short message for Ma'am Rosemary? Ano? One word only. One word.
Power.
Ayan. Basta yun? Power. Ayan. Okay, so kindly claim your prize na lang po from our coordinator at the ating coordinator at alright, congratulations, Liwel. Next, bring me. Partner, natin mga previous winners. Can you claim for your prizes? Ato po coordinator. Yes, and mawari pa naka-claim ang prize. Ato na po to my left part of the stage. Sige, let's have our next Bring Me. Bring Me. Okay. Bring Me. I love you text or chat from anyone. I love you a text or chat from anyone. Pwede ka lang kabit ko nung I love you. Pwede nga po pa sa I love you. I love you. A text or chat. Ano? Sige. Okay. Dito po tayo sa center. Oh, sige. Yan na masasabtan niya na. Okay. Sa center po. What's your name po? Roselyn. One of the sisters of our bride. Okay. So, Ma'am Roselyn or... Okay. Pwede po kumitahan I love you na text or chat. Okay. Sige. So, di kang kankanay and I love you. Masasabtan, ganyan na. Sigurado yun. Father and our son. Okay. Alright, thank you so much. Siyempre, tagantagihapon, sandang papirmi natin na I love you natin mga loved ones. Especially natin mga asawa, jowa, aniba, josawa, jowa, asawa, jowa, kabaga asawa. Yes. Ano sa nawa? Pero sana walay ganman ang mga third party. Sana walay ganman din na I love you ang third party. Oo, priority siyempre ang asawa, pero may good dapat. Okay, congratulations, Ma'am Roselyn or Miss Roselyn. Can you claim your prize po from our coordinator? Yes. And next, bring me, last one. Okay, last one po. Last one, bring me ini. Inuwanit mga rich kid. Bring me in. Tumblr! Inot may Tumblr ka di. Tumblr? Tumblr na Aquaclass. Aquaclass ka Tumblr. Exit na lang po. Tumblr ka. Sorry. Okay, mga rich kid inihira kay mga nagpaka-Aquaclass. Okay, pinalit ko hinata. Okay na, kaya dito. Ngalan, ma'am? Pinalit daw or hinatag? Mother's Day gift. Wow, Mother's Day
expected partner. 12 hours ka mapasod, 24 hours ka mahagkot. Sige, matry nga yan.
Anong partner ito mahangkot? Yan mapasok.
Kahapkot hit. Ay nala partner, bahay kita makayakan nga dibdiri na hindi.
Maria Rosario C. Avestruz. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Wow, grabe siya pala to partner pero nag-uuran na.
Yes, thank you so much once again to our beautiful bridesmaid and beautiful maid of honor.
Principal sponsors, the groomsmen, all the visitors for this special day for the newlywed. Good evening, everyone. So for my message, to Rosemary and Makmak, congratulations first for your wonderful day today, a very special day, May 20, 2023. On behalf of the teaching force of Gregorio Sicutenza National High School, since Rosemary is our fellow co-worker in the said institution, our congratulations to two of you. So, from Mark Twain, according to him, no one or no man or woman knows what perfect love is until they've been married for a quarter of a century. So, we all know that every now and then, every single day, in 24 hours, a month, a year, or a couple of years, there are a lot of changes that may takes place. So as a couple, it has to be a very challenging day because for a span of 25 years of togetherness in your journey as a couple, there maybe you will experience that your marriage is successful for the fact that there are ups and downs in every relationship. It's up to you to manage your own, love your relationship, put God first in everything you do in order to say that your marriage is successful. As what the officiating priest said earlier, your marriage, your holy sacrament of matrimony is a time for your joy, for happiness, but you have to put God first in everything you do in order to become successful in your relationship. So my deep congratulations to two of you, as well as your parents, and to everybody, good evening.
Good evening, Rosemary and Makmak. Everyone, good evening. Direk ko hahalabaon. All I can say is congratulations and good luck to your journey. That's all.
Gusto ka mo nga ni? Usog nga ni. Para kumita nato na nga bisita. Okay, so sabay-sabay. And bisan diin po, pwede magtiros bis diin. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, our newlywed couple as they cut their wedding cake. Nasiring kunoira, huluhilarom kuno iton katiros, huluhilarom gyapon ang pagigugma. Tinuod, partner?
To dito partner.
Masilaro.
Sige daw kita ang gaano kahalaro.
Sige daw.
It pagigugma. Sige go.
Nag-aalang pera, partner. Sige, go. Habaw ba wala, sir? Habaw ba wala?
Ayaw sir, igilarong sir.
Okay.
Bahala ka, lugi ka kundi mo igilarong. Ayan, grabe. Halarong mang good partner.
Sige. Alright, tapos partner.
Get that piece of cake.
Get that piece of cake.
And of course, after the cutting of the cake, partner,
maghuhungitay hira, partner.
hiraanay.
Sige po. Okay, ikaw anay po, Sir Makmak.
Okay. Now we witness ang paghugit ni Sir and Ma'am Rosemary. At syempre din mapalugit babae, mabulos gihapon nila paghugit.
Siyempre, oo. Aginaw kay Dako, partner. Dako at pagigugma,
Once again, let's give a round of applause to our newlywed couple as they cut their cake.
This time, partner, will have the wedding toast.
Yes. So requesting our guests and visitors to prepare your glasses.
Kindly pick up our goblets. I request everyone to please stand. Sabay-sabay po tayo.
Requesting everyone to please stand and get your glasses.
Atin pong sabayan ang ating newlywed couple for their wedding toast.
As we say cheers in 3, 2, 1, cheers!
Okay, karagubos ngayon, partner. Siyempre, partner, may ako na mawatian from our lovely guests.
Yes, I hear something.
Anay, kundi ay ba, partner, pwede ko makurukusot?
Para mas mairo iya.
Wala bang mas louder dyan?
At na, partner, nagtitikatan mo na.
Okay, this is now our signal, newlywed couple, for your another powerful
Kiss.
pira ka seconds, partner.
10 seconds.
Okay, ihap kita ha, dapat 10 seconds.
Oo. Ready?
Okay, ready na po ba? Ready na, sir, ma'am? Anay, wait na ko doon. Nasa rin ni Sir Macmac, wait.
Anay, nag-aandam pa.
5, natawad, 5 seconds na ko, no? Okay,
Okay na partner, 5 seconds.
Sige, 5 seconds. Ready? Ready na po?
Ready and...
3, 2, 1, go!
5!
4!
Partner, maharap ka, mapapayan at langit. Talong langit, partner.
Ano, nagyan? Baga di na nanauran, ano?
Oo.
Ano? Di na nanauran.
Alright! Once again, to our newlywed couple as they kiss again and have their ceremonials.
Ininkurat sangat sarayaw, ayun hanlitin yung sa magno, mga
Luisa. So, palakpakan for Justin and Luisa. How about next?
Adrian.
Adrian and? Okay, palakpakan naman for Adrian and Maylene. Ayan.
So we have for our third pair, we have Eileen and
Legends.
Lay
Legends.
and Jazz. Okay, so may na po kamo mga script ka na. So itlalaki amuhi
Gio.
at ang babae amuhi Kali.
Candy. Ayan. O, nakita na ka mo My Ex Advice nga movie?
Nakita ka mo.
Oh, di ba? Amin yung pinaka-memorable line nga to. Dabi na nasabtan na.
Yes.
Oo.
So, gimibidahan po ni Nira Liza Soberano and Enrique Hill.
Oo. So yan na. Itmasampulan na aton Liza Soberano and Enrique Hill. Inuman partner.
Kaya na ito Nira Park.
O kaya na niyo? Miss Maray na sample.
Sige. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, ang pinakamakarit po in acting, ang pinakamakusugin palakpak later, hirap po itmadaon.
Yes, and requesting it aton technical nga magkamay daw ng music nga bagan.
Yes,
sad. Oo, drama.
Dramatic music po.
Oo, and slow la, slow.
Slow.
Pinakamahinay la.
Ang malungkot.
Malungkot.
Dramatic music. Sige daw, pistingan ta. Okay, pwede po kang mag-practice kadali habang nagbuhon. Sige. While waiting po, hanaton groom. Awa ka din hanaton groom.
Oh, sige, let's start.
Sige, sample anay, sample. Agad ka mo naman yung sample. Pag-ilabla ka mo ha? Sige. Ako lang rin kinukulo ba yan? Sige.
My God, Kali! Ang tagal-tagal na nun!
Pero yung matagal na yun, nandito pa rin!
That's just one mistake.
That's just one mistake. Am I not enough? May kulang ba sa akin? May mali ba sa akin? Pangit ba ako? Pangit ba ang katawan ko? Kapalit-palit ba ako? Then why?
Ayan, ha? Oo,
Sige.
So, dapat, sorry na yung actingan, ha? Oh, dapat mas grabe pa, oh. So, mas, anong paliyo, igatag yun yung best.
Okay, so ansyahan na ma-acting will have our first pair. Sige. Papakyan na natin natong bride.
Oh, hey, bride, it ma-decide, inusyahan.
Inuwan siya ha.
Inusyahan na yung talo, adi, oh, ayan.
May napili na po natong bride. Okay.
Justin and...
Justin and... Okay. Microphone, please.
Mic check.
Go.
My God, Kali! Ang tagal-tagal na nun! My God, Kali! Ang tagal-tagal na nun!
Pero yung matagal na yun, nandito pa rin!
That's just one mistake.
Am I not enough? May kulang ba sa akin? May mali ba sa akin? Pangit ba ako? Pangit ba ang katawan ko? Palit-palit ba ako?
No!
Then why?
Wow! Walang may hugot.
Grabe, oh. Parang may pinanghuhugutan talaga.
Bakit sanay partner?
Yes.
Sanay ma-broken? Okay, let's have our next pair.
Next pair!
Yes.
Ayan, here's your microphone. My God, Kali! Ang tagal-tagal na nun.
Pero yung matagal na yun, nandito pa din!
That was just one mistake.
Am I not enough? May kulang
Alright, dali, here, the center.
May God ka, Ali. Tagal-tagal na nun.
Pero yung matagal na yun, nandito pa rin.
I just want this thing.
Amay natin, no?
No.
May kulang ba sa akin?
No.
May mali ba sa akin?
No.
Bakit ba ako?
No.
Bakit ba ang katawan ko? May mali ba sa akin? Kapalit-palit ba ako? Then why? Hello, partner, natulog na.
Alright, nakakapit na.
Good partner, hit no.
Yes, oh, grabe, madami no pamatik ko na script to sa no.
Basta man lahat no. Balik ko na kita.
Ano ka ba? 3 pairs? 3 pairs?
Sige da.
Sige, kaya na ako init premium.
Okay, na itong first pair, ito, second pair.
First pair?
Ito po.
Ano, second pair?
Kani ka po. Wag nga, wag. Okay, ready na po na itong mga judges. Once again, ang may pinakamakusugin pakpak, hirap po ang daog. Bravo?
Okay, let's have.
Okay?
Let's have our first pair!
Okay, ito po nila.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. 9 po ang nagpalakpak.
Okay, sige. Let's have, how about our second pair?
1,
1, 2,
Two.
3, 4,
4
5,
partner.
5.
Okay.
5 partner, 5.
Oh, 5.
Okay, let's have our third and last pair.
Ay, nagkaroon
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 partner. Okay, partner. Klaro po, obvious na natin winner natin acting challenge. We have
Third pair! Palakpakan naman! So, thank you so much.
yes.
Ang ating
Okay.
mga nag-acting.
Yes, thank you so much, Anio.
Effort, oo, napakita niyo.
Anio, acting.
Pwede na kayong mag-audition sa tawag ng tanggalan.
Okay, so please claim your prize.
Claim your prize, here our coordinator.
Ayun na ito, yung souvenir. Alright, so this time partner may we call in the parents and aton newlywed couple, starting with, may I call in Mr. Donald Gueta.
Salamat at nakanhiya na. Para ini nga, dili na ganinira pa ko nga mag-asawa kay anira nga ni anak, mga 4 years old na iniya na nga September. Ang message ko lang, anak, total, ada ka naman ito, unta, upayon mo, ani mo pagdarahan, ani mo asawa. Kay danay liwat, danay. Imo la ito mga ginraraog-daog. Pero, isisikyan ko ito himakmak, kay intindiya ito, kay amo ito niya. Kay bisan na nga niya kung kaganak, ginsusuganap ito niya. Ay! Charot! Pero, bigugmao ito nga ako na nakpisan na diya sugan. Nagkuri ko na mo ito, nagkuri. Unta, ada naman kamo, Mac, Rosemary, inen, magmaupay na unta ito niyo saan pa man sa Tagalog, pagsasama. Ay! And then, upaya ito ni iyo anak, kaya amiton nagpapadigo na iyo. And then, amo gadlaw do gadto, bayan ako makadtuok. Sana all. Ay! Pare pa ako makagwamport, sanglet, dire pa ako nagtutuok. Sige, ako na ito. Damo nga salamat tayo nga tanan.
Bisita, gusto ko magkatakat mga nalala ko kitchen. Pero, kaya kami. Doon ako namin yung sila isa lang kasugat kayo. Doon, ito niyo ko mga kasawa, payan niyo. Mga hanggang
salamat.
So, in aton action it agoy, and agi, once na balikan ni agoy, mapa, at tubang kita.
Sige, partner.
Agoy. Okay, ha? Sige daw.
Sige daw, test.
1, 2, 3, go. Agoy. Sige daw, tulungan. Lower, lower. 1, 2, 3, go. Agoy. Ayan. Next is agi liwat. O, paano yung liwat? Agi.
Okay, sige daw.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Agi.
Uy!
Otro. Agoy, agi. 1, 2, 3. Agoy and agi. Okay, ha?
Okay, usap pa. Agoy.
Agi.
Agi.
Dapat mas klaro ma-action, ha? Sige. Once nga na itutok kayo yung microphone, you'll say agoy at agi. Alright? Bagalan hep hooray.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Trial na ni partner.
Sige.
Singan na to, tagusa-usa. Sige.
Agoy. Agi. Agoy.
Agoy.
Agi.
Ayan. Okay, mga palaban.
Kailangan klaro ang action.
Oo, klaro dapat action, ha?
Kung sabihin nga agoy na, pati pa ka to ang form.
Oo. Alright. Let's have the game.
Ready? Ready na po? Sige.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
Agoy. Agi. Agoy.
Tinitawa man na raw.
Ano yung gini-imagine nila?
May dadara na yung imagine partner. Okay, ha? Pag tumawa, tanggal gihapon. Sige, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Agi. Agoy. Agi.
Okay! Tanggal na yung kuya.
Tanggal?
Tawang-tawa.
Gusto ko kita nga to.
Sige, partner, next.
Ready? Go!
Agoy. Agi. Agoy. Agoy. Agi. Agoy. Agi. Agi.
Agi-agi.
Agi-agi.
Okay. Sige.
Nagdoble. Oo.
Ano man?
Okay pa daw. Okay pa. Sige, pwede pa. Lusot.
Okay, ready? Go!
Agoy. Agi. Agoy. Agi. Agoy. Agi. Agi. Agoy. Agi. Agoy. Agi.
Okay! Orang-orang pa ito, partner. Karado na.
Alright, sige.
Okay, we have 6 more. 1. Dapat mas malaksi, ha? Mas malaksi. 1, 2, 3, go!
Agoy.
Uy, agoy! Baliktad.
Okay, we
I have
have
5 more.
5 remaining.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Agoy. Agi. Agoy.
Wala yung makakiba.
Agoy.
Okay, 4 more.
Last 4, partner. Ready? Ready? Go!
Agoy. Agi. Agoy. Agi. Agoy.
Ay, agoy.
Okay.
Agoy, last 3.
Last 3, partner.
Sige, dala-dala. 1, 2. Dapat malaksi, ha? Go!
Agoy. Agi. Agoy.
Uy, ay.
Awan, ano to?
Diri pa. Balik. Okay,
Okay,
ready?
ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Agi. Agoy. Agi.
Agoy, baliktad.
Okay, last 2.
Sige, partner, iwan na doon.
Okay, ready? Ready? Go!
Agoy.
Waray na, partner, tanggal na. Waray mga kiwan.
Waray na, partner.
And we have a winner!
Winner na po tayo!
Oo. Grabe,
Okay.
lutong-luto.
Okay, dahil winner ka, okay,
Tutupo ka ngayon, no? Hindi ka pa aalis.
lingkod na.
And now calling all the single ladies out there.
Siyempre, pagkaputhan, hilaba na tarong.
Ayan, sige.
Close mo ang imong legs. Close. O payo pag-close, di mo na pag-close. O payo pag-close. Close.
Ayan, sige. Ay, napagkaptiha. Amo na ito. Sige, ready, circle. Let's have the music, maestro.
Circle po, circle.
Masayaw ka na na. Sayaw, sayaw.
Okay, galaw.
Once the music stops, paunahin lang pagkabutan natin, hilaba katarong ni Sir Ninyo. Imbag pabayaan niya usalat kumapot ang tarong. Kumusta po ang tarong ni Sir ninyo, ate? Kumusta po? Ano po ang feeling at makakapot ka na ang tarong ni Sir ninyo?
Hindi ay wala din. Pagpira ba ito, partner? Kaya kundi ay. Okay. Bagang chorizo. Okay. So, partner, adin na po ang aton. New ano? Dili ni Hira new. Magjuway ni Hira, ano? Magjuway ni Hira.
Match-made na nila. Match-made couple.
Yes. Our match-made couple. So, yan na, ano? Himo mo nira. Ang himo ha natin yung newlywed couple.
Yes. Naganira kanina na.
Okay, so you have to cut the cake.
And you have
Wedding
to
toast.
toast. Oo. Yan. Sige.
Okay, sige
Requesting the coordinators to
Magtitingkod ka na ba? Ayan, may nababatian akong partner.
Yan na ito. Anay cake. Bangin kita mapukuhan. Madakong.
Okay. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen.
Our match-made couple, Nino and Rodora.
Sa pagpatawag sa ikaw, ang iniisip-isip ko.
At tumat ay halarong.
Pintig ng puso.
Okay, sige sir, gadi. Ma'am, hindi po kita may atubangan. Kan Rodora. Sige ninyo, isubo mo na kay Rodora.
Anay.
Ngayon'y nandito na ikaw, ang pag-ibig na
Wait. Sige. Ninyo.
Sir ninyo, pwede mo nang isubo kay Rodora.
Ikaya't pag-ibig ko'y ikaw.
Alright, this time.
Rodora, ayan.
Okay, syempre gihapon. We'll have the wedding toast also.
Ayan, ayun na, wedding toast. Cross arm.
Cross arm. Cross arm. Sir Nino, right.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Ready? Let us say cheers. 1, 2, 3.
Cheers.
Okay, once again, Sir Nino and Ma'am Rodora. May narinig ka ba, partner?
Ato na partner, wala ka lang batian.
Pwede
Wala siya second.
chicks na lang.
Ka-chicks na lang, ka-chicks.
Ayan.
Okay, yung ay paglakad, hindi pa tapos. Sige, lingkod lang nga di. Lingkod lang.
Go, Sir Mark Anthony. It's your time to shine. Go and get wild. Sayaw, sir. Ato na.
Siyempre, partner, pagkuhan, Carter, dinilig kakaptan.
Yes, gamit ang aton baba. Oh, di ba?
Sige, partner. Okay, so ano na yung Sir Makmak?
Go, sulong.
Sige, go. Okay, go abot, Garter. Gamit po natin ang imo po. Baba, pagkuhaan, Garter. Sige, sir, ayaw ka abot.
Ato na. Pumasok na sa kuweba. At kinukuha na ang garter galing kay Ma'am Rosemary. May kiliting nararamdaman.
Pwede po gihapon buligan ni Ma'am Rosemary kung nagkukurin pagkuhaan, Garter.
Alright, at naharani na. Wow, thank you so much.
Success, partner, success.
Yes, oo.
Okay, this time, partner, ikahatag na ni Sir Makmak ang Garter na tukan, Sir
Nidio, oo. Mababot kaliwat niya na ni Ma'am Rodora. Oo. Sige, Ma'am Rodora, madala. Amo na ito.
Okay.
Diba?
Go! Okay.
At ngayong mga oras na ito ay
Papalapit na po si Sir Nino.
ilalagay na ni Sir Nino sa mga paa ni Ma'am Rodora. Gamit ang kanyang mga labi.
Okay. At Garter po.
Dere po pwede kaptan.
Gamit po ang Papa. Okay. Gamit ang Papa. Big Papa.
Higher!
Higher. Higher.
Once again, Sir Nino and Ma'am Rodora, thank you so much for being a sport.
Upay nga gabi aton nga tanan. Unahan nga tanan, gusto ko magpasalamat han mga suppliers na kundiin hiraan naging bagan nag-make way para maging possible ini nga amon wedding. Una hi Ate Abigail, han Abigail Wedding and Events of Palo, Leyte. Han pagiging stylist ngan on the day coordination. Salamat ate. Han amon videographer ngan photographer kang Kuya James Imperial. Thank you very much. Tikang han amon prenup up to yan na. Han catering services kan Ate Freedom, damo nga salamat. Ngan salamat liwat han amon mga principal sponsors, although at iba waray na dinhi. Salamat ang pagiging witness hiton amon pagkausa ni Makmak. Ngan salamat liwat han amon kag anak nga ada ha amon sides all throughout han amon preparations ini nga wedding. Salamat gyapon akon mga ka-youth na very supportive from day 1 up to now. Ngan salamat ang akong mga estudyante nga anhi. Full support na titira. Ngan salamat nga tanan nga umatinder or nag-witness ini nga amon kasal. Ada kayan amon masisiri. Amon ulan akong masisiring. Damo nga salamat. Ada message ko na akong asawa. Ano? Tikangan, katikangan. Bisan, di ba ba? Araman ka mo na akong batasan, youth. Tama? Nga mo na akpini. Maisog. Amo na? Tuod. Kuan, bisan sugad lang akong batasan, hinumdum nga higugmaon ta ikaw. Waray ako iba nga bubuhaton nga sayop nga ikakarubahi to naton relasyon. Bisan waray ka dinhi or bisan ato kahalangyaw. Nga usa pa iton imong trabaho na sir iton imong trabaho yan na kailangan ito usa nga babaye nga hihigugmaon ka hasta hit katapusan. Ngan abot akong bubuhaton. Naawo niya. Niyan nala ko na niya message.
Yan nala ko nung gabi niya message. Siyempre, para laera ka doa.
Agi mangingalimtan ko papagod. Ang mga tao behind inin akon kahusay yan nga adlaw. Hera Ate, Martin, Florendo, and team. Thank you very, very much, Steve. Salamat, Ate.